Isaac Makomichi, a prominent and vocal opponent of Constitutional Amendment Bill No. 3 agenda, narrowly escaped an orchestrated abduction attempt. The incident, which occurred under the cover of darkness, has essential quills through the handicapped 3 circles. They raise serious alarm bells about the escalating pattern of intimidation being directed at those who dare to oppose the Constitutional Amendment project. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. And according to Isaac Makomichi, 2 unknown males approached him claiming that one of them had a left phone inside his vehicle, a vehicle in which he had previously given them a lift. The claim was the pretext. What followed revealed the true intention. When Makomichi questioned the pair and suggested they proceed to a police station to resolve the matter formally, the 2 individuals abruptly changed their position. They refused. They refused also to identify themselves, producing no names, no identification documents, nothing that a legitimate complainant in a genuine lost property dispute would have any reason to withhold. The operation collapsed at that point. Makomichi walked away himself. The attempted targeting of Isaac Makomichi is the latest entry in this catalogue, and it is significant precisely because Makomichi is not a general, is not a vice president, is not a senior party official. He is a citizen, a private individual whose crime, in the eye of those who sent 2 men to his vehicle in the dark, is that he has spoken publicly against Cap 3. If they will come for a private citizen in the night, they will come for everyone. A warning to all handicapped 3 voices. The individuals and the networks driving the ED23 project have demonstrated repeatedly, escalatingly, and now at the level of private citizens that they are willing to use intimidation, surveillance, manufactured pretexts, and physical approaches to silence the opposition. Doma developments anokuda panguva ino tiona mukomana Makomichi achisurvive this irikonzi an abduction attack. In the comment section, medu zafungura imbo tudima musoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.